Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on X, published just 3 days ago on July 8, 2026, introduces a way to make asynchronous reinforcement learning, where models learn continuously from incoming data, much more stable. The paper is titled Single Rollout Asynchronous Optimization for Agentic Reinforcement Learning. By using just one rollout per prompt, this new framework achieves 97% accuracy on the difficult AIME 2025 benchmark. Well, Figure 1 displays the overall performance comparison across several demanding benchmarks. The dark blue bars highlight the proposed method, Single Rollout Asynchronous Optimization, which consistently beats both the baseline supervised fine-tuning model and group relative policy optimization. On the AIME 2025 mathematics test, the proposed approach leaps to over 97% accuracy. Similarly, on the SWE bench verified coding test, the performance climbs to nearly 30%, showing strong gains in complex, multi-step tasks. Figure 2 details the core architectural differences between the standard group approach and the new design. The top path illustrates group relative policy optimization, where the system must wait for an entire group of trajectories to complete before training can start. In contrast, the bottom path shows single rollout asynchronous optimization, which processes each individual trajectory immediately upon generation. Because trajectories are processed individually, this single rollout method avoids the bottleneck of waiting for slow processes and stabilizes updates within the trust region, shown on the right. Table 1 displays the numerical results across 4 difficult mathematical reasoning benchmarks. At the very bottom, the proposed single rollout method achieves 97% accuracy on the AM 2025 dataset, outperforming powerful closed-source models. This high performance is largely because the framework stabilizes policy updates during training. Even when applying the new double-sided importance sampling technique, which restricts updates to a safe trust region, to the baseline group relative policy optimization model, we see a noticeable boost in overall performance. While Table 1 highlighted the final evaluation numbers, Figure 3 tracks the training progress across 1,000 steps for 3 different mathematical reasoning benchmarks. Looking at the 3 plots, the light blue line representing vanilla group relative policy optimization collapses completely, dropping down to around 70% accuracy before step 200. By contrast, the dark blue curve shows that adding the double-sided importance sampling strategy prevents this collapse and stabilizes training. Most importantly, the purple line, which represents single rollout asynchronous optimization, consistently achieves the highest accuracy as training progresses, demonstrating both superior stability and faster learning. Figure 4 breaks down why this training stability occurs across 3 key training metrics. In Panel A, the higher explained variance, which measures how accurately the value model predicts rewards, indicates much faster convergence. Panel B plots the critic gradient norm to evaluate training stability, where the frozen attention strategy keeps gradients significantly lower and smoother. Finally, Panel C displays the token-level clip ratio, showing how the double-sided importance sampling actively clips divergent updates, which successfully prevents training collapse. That analysis of training dynamics leads directly to the precise configurations tested in Table 3. Table 3 details an ablation study, which means systematically removing components to measure their individual impact. The top row shows that the proposed configuration, using frozen attention and a critic update frequency of 2, achieves 97% on AIME 2025. Dropping this update frequency to 1 decreases performance, while updating all parameters instead of freezing attention drops AIME accuracy to 91%. Okay, Figure 5 evaluates how the proposed method adapts to a changing environment in an online learning simulation. Panel A shows the accuracy of different writing styles over time. When the target style changes during the shaded transition phases, the model quickly suppresses the old style and shifts to the new one. Panel B compares this performance against a running mean baseline. While the baseline suffers from adaptation lag because of its historical window, the proposed method recovers reward levels much faster. Single rollout asynchronous optimization proves that single rollout sampling combined with double-sided clipping makes asynchronous reinforcement learning highly stable for complex agentic tasks. That wraps up this look at asynchronous reinforcement learning. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.